I tried to fly FPV with a non-FPV drone and it didn't go to plan. Whoa! Whoa! Oh my god. But before we get into this video, I want to quickly mention that if this video gets boring at any time, you can skip forward. I left markers down in the timeline, and also only a smaller percentage of people who watch my videos are actually subscribed. So if you do end up liking this video, please consider subscribing. It costs nothing, and hey, you can always unsubscribe later. Enjoy this video. Okay, so we are now here on this location. And it's a really beautiful spot, and I'm now going to unpack the drone. Also, there's a very specific reason why I'm doing this experiment. So we've all seen consumer market drone footage, and while it is still cool to see something like that, it is not the newest technology and it won't make your film stand out. FPV footage is really exciting and relatively new still, but you need an extra drone, and usually FPV drones are really difficult to fly and difficult to manage as well. So I was wondering, what if you could have one drone that does both shots, and that's what we are going to find out today. Okay, so the settings are really simple. The only thing I'm going to do is I'm going to stick it into cinematic mode. It will not be very fast, but it will be so that the horizon tilts. That makes it look a little bit more like it's an FPV drone. Alright, so I am going to put the drone in the air. It is so difficult. It is too difficult to get those close shots without having an FPV goggle, and in general it's really difficult, so I'm going to try something similar to get more of an open field shot where the drone's flying much faster.
Boy 50.
Oh my god, look at that. Wait one second. Drone, literally, one arm folded in. Oh my god. You see that? The drone could have literally crashed anywhere. You see that? The arms just folded in. That is not too good. Okay, so it is extremely difficult to fly this drone. I've now been trying it for the last 15 minutes or so, and I haven't got any control over the drone whatsoever, but I'm going to try it again now, because I kind of feel like I started to get the hang of it, and now I will go over there and try and get an actual decent shot of it, and I'll see how that goes. Okay, so I guess this sentence will sound ironic, but to get proper FPV shots you need an FPV drone. But, and here's the big but, you don't necessarily need an FPV drone for most cases, because as you could see, you could get pretty decent shots out of this, and they look newer and more fresh than the old classic aerial footage, I think. And in overall, I think this was a good experiment, and you can definitely get something decent out of it, and I will definitely try this more often. And with that, I hope you enjoyed this video, I hope you found it helpful. Subscribe, and it would be very appreciated if you would watch another video from me, which will show up on the screen right now. See you soon.